What's up, everybody? I'm here at my latest project, just doing a few minor touches. One thing we decided once everything was put in here, we're going to replace these knobs. They're cute, they just don't go with the decor anymore. So I am just adding my finishing touches, and then I will show you the completed project. This is my latest laundry room. I'm so excited to show you. So this is such a great, easy way to update any cabinetry. I want to redo my cabinets all the time. And I like to start with smaller changes if you don't have a ginormous budget. Because really, as long as the cabinets are good quality wood, changing out some fixtures on it could totally change the whole cabinetry. And just like that, updated cabinetry. So simple, so easy. All you need is a screwdriver and new hardware. Rundown on exactly what we did in this laundry room. First off, what we did was we got rid of the laminate countertop. We put in this beautiful, beautiful Cambria countertop. Cambria, Minnesota-owned company, quartz countertops. Now, no maintenance, non-porous, doesn't stain, doesn't harbor bacteria. Some awesome countertops. You put them in, that's all you need to do. You need to clean. Yes, you do need to wipe them down. Soap and water, very non-harsh chemicals, soap and water. That's all. Super easy. Awesome company that we contract with. You can get your new Cambria countertops from, of course, Huffman Flooring Design Center. Super sweet AR app if you are interested in seeing these countertops in your space. Download the Cambria app, Cambria AR. Now I'll just show you all the different countertops that are available, and I'll also put them in your space so you can literally see the new countertop on your cabinet. Super cool. And if you have any questions, of course, give me a call, give me an email. I can definitely help you out with that. Next, what we did, of course, you can't put in beautiful new countertops without a new sink. So we have a new quartz laundry sink in grayish, I believe is the color. An Elkay Quartz Sink. Awesome, awesome, easy to clean, scratch resistant, very durable sink. And of course, a new Delta faucet. Now this is one that you just pull down, you can rinse out, and has that magnetite technology. Not a touch one. In the laundry room, I figured you don't really need to spend the extra money for a touch, but you definitely can if that is something you are interested in. Next, we have the floors. Now, if you've been following my projects, this floor actually went into the guest bath of this house as well. Love this contrasting hexagon industrial look. You'll see we are at a garage door here. So anybody coming in, tracking in mud, this little room, you're not gonna see the dirt that much. It's actually really hard to see dirt on this floor. So that is a plus. And then also super stylish. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Adds that industrial look without going too far industrial. My client got new washer and dryer. Of course, you gotta get a new washer and dryer if you got these beautiful new countertops on top. And then last little thing I did, which you saw me do today, I just put on new poles. As you saw before, they were like these green glass ones, which were super cute, honestly, but they didn't really go with the floor and the decor anymore. So we put on these cute, very classic, simple, yet industrial style. It ties the floor into the cabinetry now, so there's no disconnect there. Super cute, right? Okay, so I admit this room makes me want to do laundry. And usually I don't want to. But, so this is it. This is the latest project. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Hanging with the Huffmans. Not only do I show you all of my latest projects, but you also get to come along on our crazy family adventures. And you can see what our family is up to, because at Huffman Flooring Design Center, when you shop with us, you're shopping local. You are shopping with a family that lives, breathes, loves what they do. And we are on your side through it all, good or bad. That's exactly why we do this. We want to make your experience, I'm not gonna say stress-free because every remodel has its own stresses, but I'm on your side to take care of anything that may come up and communicate with you. That is the key right there to any successful project, is communication. So make sure you like our page, follow our family. We go on some fun, wild adventures, and we'll see you next time.